Namaste. Here is an short video regarding how to order Investigations Decoded for Ayurveda book. Go to the WhatsApp link or directly to the notionpress.com, or the link is in description box. Click on buy. You need to sign up with Google account and put any 6 letters or digit as password. If you already signed up, then just sign in, add your address with PIN code correctly, add mobile number, click on deliver to this address. Then proceed to buy, put again the contact number, will open. Pay by any method, or you can click on scan up and scan the payment. Complete the payment and check the order from your profile. Book link is in description box, or you can contact me for bulk orders. Thank you.